Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, is a charming and picturesque place that attracts tourists from all over the world. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture, Tallinn offers a unique travel experience. Drone video allows travelers to see the city from above, showcasing its medieval architecture, charming cobblestone streets, and picturesque old town. The city's landscape is a fascinating blend of medieval charm and modernity. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Old Town is a well-preserved medieval wonder with cobblestone streets. Visitors can explore historical landmarks such as Toompea Castle, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral and St. Olaf Church while admiring panoramic views of the city. In addition to its historical charm, Tallinn also offers a thriving modern life. The city is known for its vibrant arts and cultural scene with numerous galleries, museums, theaters and music venues showcasing local talent as well as international performances. Visitors can immerse themselves in Estonian culture through traditional folk performances or visit contemporary art exhibitions. Travelers visiting Tallinn often praise the city for its friendly locals and safe environment. The city's compact size makes it easy to get around on foot or by public transportation. Tallinn also boasts a vibrant nightlife with numerous bars, clubs and restaurants offering a variety of cuisines. Tallinn will not disappoint those looking for outdoor adventure. The city is surrounded by dense forests and a beautiful coastline that offers hiking opportunities. In addition to outdoor recreation areas, there are also several parks within the city limits where locals and tourists alike can enjoy themselves.